Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your device is ready, unlocked, charged, and online. Open Google Play and go directly to the eFootball page. Don't browse elsewhere. Once there, check version and storage so you know what you're removing. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account that installed it. If you see Open or Update instead of Install, you're on the right app page. Now prepare to uninstall and clear associated data before removal. Tap Uninstall in Google Play and confirm. This removes the app package, but not always saved files. Next, go to Settings, Apps, select eFootball, then Storage, and clear cache and clear data to remove leftovers. This frees space and prevents auto-restore. Once done, revoke permissions and inspect internal storage or SD card for any eFootball folders and delete them manually. These steps ensure the app and its user data are fully gone. After removal, reboot and verify there are no residual folders in Downloads or Android/ob. If Google Play still shows Open or Update, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and clear its cache and data, then relaunch Play and confirm the app is gone. If Play won't uninstall cleanly, reinstall eFootball and repeat uninstall and data clear steps. Make sure you back up any saves before reinstalling. If permissions or storage errors
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.